following video will show an overview demonstration of the newsletter capability within IBM OpenPages. To begin, log in as RCM username and password. On the dashboard, scroll to the reportlet called Reporting and select the Regulatory Change Status Report. This is an out-of-the-box report within IBM OpenPages to show an example of what can be delivered for newsletter functionality. Upon clicking on the link, you will be prompted for a business entity selector. This is a list of all the different business entities that you have access to in the demonstration environment. Select /library and then click Finish. At this point, the report will generate based upon the information you selected. You can see that we then have a listing of all the different regulatory changes which are available in the system. We can look at them by status values such as what's assigned, awaiting approval, closed, open, draft, etc. And we also can see a listing of the regulatory changes, any actions or tasks which are linked to them, as well as the linkage to the regulation or mandate. Right from here, we could actually click on any of these regulatory changes as well and be brought right to the detailed information of that regulatory change. Back on the status report, we can then see the information listed again. We also have the ability to export this report into multiple formats, such as PDF. Once you export that into PDF, you can download that and send that off to any user. And if they have access to IBM OpenPages, any of the links that they click on will be active at that point in time. Here's an example of how that information may look in a PDF. And we can go ahead and save that information as well, and be able to access that at a later date. There are a number of other reports which are available. Out of the box, there are over 40 reports which users can utilize, as well as create additional reports utilizing Cognos Analytics. That concludes the overview of the newsletter capability within IBM OpenPages.